Today, biscuits. I got biscuits on my mind. You know what I'm saying?
Why not?
A little bit of shredded Asadero cheese. You like that? And our fucking favorite. Some of that Mexico hatch green chili, baby. Yay, yay. Let's see if we get started.
I said hi.
What's up, beer?
Oh.
Today, I got a nice organic lager beer.
Oh,
Wow.
sir, are you looking for this?
Yeah, sure was.
Sorry.
Nothing like beer and biscuits. Right, babe?
I don't know.
You mean, yeah, I honestly don't ever go to a bar. And be
Thinking
like,
biscuits
yo,
and gravy, but
yo,
biscuits
I'll have
and
a
beer,
Bud Light
okay.
And a biscuit, please.
As long as it has cheese and green chili.
I'd say that's done. It's gonna be wet. It's gonna be a little wet, so. Oh, hi. I'm just buttering some biscuits over here. Don't mind me. Oh, wait! Did y'all like that as much as I did? Because I loved it. But if you want a little bit, some seconds, maybe a little bit more dessert, check right here. We got it all. The old Jay's cooking. Or some Bun Huggin. That's nice, huh? Hugging the buns. Oh, sorry. Or listen to some music right here. Exclusive. It's nice stuff. A little gander. Nice. See you soon.